Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll act now to stop new entries. First, open Safari and switch to a private window, macOS or private mode, iPhone/iPad. Once done, Safari stops recording the pages you visit on that tab or window. Next, go to Settings or System Preferences and turn off iCloud Safari Sync so history won't propagate between devices. Make sure to keep private windows active for browsing sessions where you don't want any history saved. Now you remove past traces and reduce future footprints. Clear history and website data to erase stored items. On Mac OS, use History Clear History. On iOS, use Settings Safari Clear History and website data. Then harden Safari. Disable preload top hit and search suggestions so queries aren't cached. Turn off auto-fill, block cookies as needed, and disable frequently visited sites and location access to minimize local records. These steps prevent automatic caching and reduce what Safari can store. Finish by verifying the changes. Open a fresh Safari private window and confirm no history appears after browsing. Check history to ensure it's empty. Make sure iCloud Safari is disabled on all your devices so synced history won't reappear. If something goes wrong, restart the device and disable Safari extensions that may store data. As one key troubleshooting tip, reset Safari settings or revoke Safari access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.